Hi everyone, so in this video today I'm going to show you how to do my spaghetti meatball dish, which is divine. I love making this at home for the family. It's such a comfort dish to make. It is meatballs made of pork and beef together, and then a rich tomato stew with canned tomatoes and fresh tomatoes in it. Run it through some fresh pasta. You can add some chili flakes in there as well if you want, and it's got loads of herbs in there, so it is super delicious. In fact, it's making me hungry right now, so I better get started and making it. Please like this video and subscribe for more videos. I love you all. Thanks. We've got our ingredients. So we have our beef and pork mince, we've got onions, we've got some lovely fresh basil, chopped tomatoes, we've got some tomato puree, we've got some fresh tomatoes as well, we've got some thyme, dried thyme, chili in there, and some garlic as well, and of course some red wine to give it that depth of flavour. So to start, just season that meat up with some salt and some pepper to give it some flavour. Mix it all together as well. So really I just get my hand stuck in, massage all the pork and the beef mince together. I've added in some dried thyme as well. And then just roll it all into balls, and then you can pop this all into the fridge until you're ready to cook. First in, put some oil into the pan, add some onions. So you want to kind of cook these off for like about 10 minutes or so. Don't let them burn though. Add in some garlic as well. Some tomato puree goes in, and then you want to add in those chopped or plum tomatoes. And this sauce is just gonna cook down, so it's gonna be lovely and rich. I love adding some fresh tomatoes in there as well, just to give it that boost of freshness. In goes some coconut sugar for a little bit of sweetness, and that red wine just to give it that depth of flavour. Then let that cook slowly for a while. Once it's cooked down for a while, then you just I'd mash it with like a potato masher or something, just to get all the tomatoes squished a bit, and then chuck in those fresh herbs, and it will give it this beautiful flavour. The next thing that we do is we want to fry off those meatballs. So when you're ready to cook them, bring them out of the fridge at room temperature, and then you can start searing them all so they're lovely and brown on each side. Add the meatballs back into that rich tomato sauce, give it a good stir, and they cook through for about 5 to 10 minutes or so, and then it will be ready to serve. Gloriously added on top of some spaghetti or even rice, some shaves of parmesan cheese or whichever you prefer. It is the ultimate comfort dish.